Hi, I have taught you how to make a alternative pumpkin pie. We're going to talk about how to make an alternative apple pie. It's called apple dumplings, and it's really easy and really fun and very delicious. Just pick the apple of your choice, and I have chosen Honey Crisp. I really enjoy Honey Crisp to eat, and it's a relatively new variety in the last few years that has become popular, but it stays firm and has just enough uh, body to it to be a great cooking apple. So this is what I had. This is what I'm doing. You take 2 apples and cut each apple in eighths. So in half, a quarter, and there. You do that, and you're going to use 2 refrigerator croissant canisters like this, and each has 8 in it. So by using 2 apples and 2 croissant rolls, you'll have exactly enough apples to place in your croissants. It's an easy recipe. Then you take 2 cubes of butter. Here I'm going to put about a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla. And the syrup. Then there's a surprising ingredient. I have my oven heated to 350. This is the syrup. I'm going to turn it up real quick and get it to boil so that sugar will be fully incorporated in this syrup. I'm going to call that sufficient. We're going to I could have used a little smaller one, but these will be wonderful. Now, if I don't get sprayed, there. You take 7-Up and you just go around the sides. And they will sit in a wonderful solution of sugary goodness, served with a dollop of vanilla ice cream tonight, and we'll let you see what they look like when they come out of the oven. Thanks so much. I think you ought to try it. Bye-bye. Here it is, fresh out of the oven. I reread the recipe and I messed up. You are to use 2 apples, 2 croissant refrigerator roll cases, and it makes 16. We've got 8 here, and lots of the syrup. I know it'll be delicious. The syrup can go over the ice cream, and the apples are very soft, and so I haven't ruined the thing, but you normally, with that amount of syrup, would get 16 dumplings. And it would soak that syrup up a little bit more into the dumplings. And instead of cutting each apple into fourths, you would cut them into eighths. And that would eat, one apple would fill one croissant refrigerator roll. And so, hope you'll try it. I think we will enjoy them a lot tonight. Thank you.